Okay, here's what you need to form the red cabbage indicator lab. Okay, so first we have a retort bar here. This guy right here. Screws into the lab bench. A ring clamp. I'll show you what that looks like there. Clamps on. That's a wire gauze. The white stuff is fire retardant. It won't catch on fire. Our beaker sits on top of there. Here's our Bunsen burner. It's going to heat up the water. Measured the water with a graduated cylinder, much more accurate than the beaker. Pour the 100 mils of water into my beaker. That graduated cylinder aside. I got some red cabbage here, and I've chopped it up with a razor blade. Got a little round guy, it's called a petri dish. And once I chop all my cabbage up, I would put it in here. And what we're trying to do is boil the water so that all the red cabbage turns white. So all that color that's inside the cells is the chemical that we want. It's a pretty nifty color, chemical, because it can change 11 different colors depending on what you mix it with. Then once we have that all boiled up and the cabbage is white and all the purple color is in the liquid, we want to filter it. So we don't want any of the cabbage chunks. So we would set up this flask with the funnel and this filter paper that fits inside of here. And when we do that, we would end up with this wonderful purple liquid called red cabbage indicator. A couple other pieces of equipment that we use. This is called a beaker tong to hold. We don't want the cabbage to burn because God knows that stinks. So when this is working, and you can see some of the colors already coming out, that water now looks sort of bluish. So just by putting it in the water, even without heating it up, we can get the chemical to come out. This is a stir stick. We would use it to stir.